I'll tell you a little bit about my mother. Kantukona is my name. My father gave it to me when he walked into my mother's heart on the day I was born. He said, "Oh, Kantukona, you are here." Nobody was expecting me because I arrived 2 months early. Even my mother thought I was just a stomach ache. Before she realized it was labor pains, boom, I came out. I was born into song. Umuzi, our home was in Zululand, Eshowe, near the river in Bushini. My father had 4 wives. Mama was the second one. I don't know how he got away with that because he was a priest of the Ethiopian church. The church was at home. Oh, he was a powerful preacher. He had a great following. People came from all the corners of the district when they heard that church bell. Ma,